In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit video clips in DaVinci Resolve. To get started, head over to your timeline because this is where you'll be doing most of your clip editing. The timeline gives you a clear view of all the media you've placed in your project, and it's the easiest place to select and adjust individual video clips. Once you're there, click on the video clip you want to edit. Make sure the correct clip is highlighted because any changes you make next will apply only to the selected clip. After selecting the clip, move to the top right corner of the interface and click on the Inspector tab. This opens a panel with more detailed settings for the clip you're working on. If you don't see it right away, just make sure the clip is selected first, since the inspector is most useful when an item in the timeline is active. Inside the inspector, you'll find a range of controls that let you adjust how your video looks and behaves. One of the main sections is Transform, where you can change the position, zoom, rotation, and other visual properties of the clip. This is especially useful if you want to reframe your shot, crop out unwanted edges, or create simple motion adjustments. You'll also see cropping options, which let you trim the visible area of the clip without actually cutting the clip itself. This can be helpful for cleaning up a frame or making room for other visual elements. Another useful setting is Dynamic Zoom, which can add automatic movement to a still or static-looking shot, giving it a more polished and professional feel. In the same area, you may also notice composite controls, speed change options, and more. Composite settings help when you're layering clips or adjusting how one video interacts with another. Speed controls allow you to change how fast or slow the clip plays back, which is great for creating slow-motion moments or speeding through less important sections. At the top of the inspector, you may see additional tabs depending on what's included in your clip. For example, if your video includes audio, you can switch to audio-related controls and make edits there as well. And if you've added effects or transitions, those can usually be adjusted from these tabs too, giving you one central place to refine multiple parts of your edit. As you work, take your time to preview your changes and fine-tune them as needed. The inspector is one of the most important tools for clip-level editing in DaVinci Resolve, and once you get comfortable with it, making precise adjustments becomes much faster and easier.